up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm just over here in the hills going through some man, look at these houses. Some rich neighborhoods, some rich old school neighborhoods. Look at that. That's nice. Look at the view, some of these. Damn, look at this house. Tony Montana lives over there.
I never liked him. I never trusted him.
This guy's got some nice view. Beautiful house. Nice neighborhoods over here for sure. All around the valley, all of the hills are like the most expensive, obviously. So this is the north side. There are some gnarly ones over here for sure. Burn that one. Look at that 118 freeway, guys. That's what I love about this, the Stealth Bomber. I love my SURRON, don't get me wrong. The SURRON is amazing and I can go just about anywhere. But I feel like this is much smoother on the road, much quieter, that's for sure. And I've been rolling for quite some time and I'm only at 84%. So I mean, I did probably at least 10 to 15 miles minimum already. So that's amazing. That's one thing. You know, one main reason why I love the Stealth Bomber as far as getting around town. My SURRON is you know, it's got dirt tires and I don't like just eating them up right here on the road. Give a little squeeze right here. So that's the reason I prefer this guy when exploring city stuff. If I'm exploring off-road stuff like that, I'm taking the SURRON all day. Yeah, but this area right here, this is my high school days area. I haven't been here in so long. We might even go check it out real quick. So yeah, this is getting close to high school territory. Man, I used to be so lazy. I used to come and park right here in Ralph's parking lot and make it like 2 minutes before the bell rings, you know what I mean? I hated parking in the parking lot. At one point I had a friend keep the parking lot space for me. Let's see what they got over there. Towards the end of my high school days, I didn't even park in the student parking lot anymore. I parked outside so I could just leave whenever. But yeah, this is like the student parking. I mean, the teacher parking area right here. Yeah, the entrance right here, main entrance, and faculty parking and stuff like that. Man, this has been so long. I remember I had some ROP classes I used to have to take, and another way to get in and out of the school was right here through this door. This is the cafeteria door, right into the school's kitchen. So I used to leave from there. Well, what else they got here? And I can't even imagine having a bike like this nowadays in high school. Oh my god, that would be so much fun to worry about holding it somewhere, but that would be a lot of fun. But yeah, for a minute this used to be the teacher's parking lot, and this used to be the student parking lot. But now they changed it. There's no more students over here. They park somewhere else, I believe. Well, at least when I was here. Yeah, PE area. Man, it's time for some new basketballs. And they got a turf now. Yeah. Let's see what else they got. Yeah, back in my high school days, when I played soccer over here, we had like the crappiest field ever. Now they have turf, artificial grass, insane. Kids nowadays have it so much easier. They don't even know. They have it so much easier, and they complain like 20 times more. It's crazy. This is the back area. This is the back parking lot. This is where the homie would keep me a spot at the times where I used to park in the parking lot. He used to keep me a spot right here until I just parked outside. Oh man, that's crazy. Lots of memories over here. Lots and lots of memories. But yeah, that's cool. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.